Magpie's Baking Day, retold by Beverly Randall from a Russian folk rhyme, illustrated by Debbie Mordzios and Meredith Thomas. "Who will help me make the bread?" said Magpie. "Who will get the fire going for me?" "Not I," said the mouse. "I will," said Rabbit. "I will get the fire going for you." "Thank you, Rabbit," said Magpie. Magpie said, "Who will go and get the milk for me?" "Not I," said the mouse. "I will," said Duck. "I will go and get the milk for you." "Thank you, Duck," said Magpie. Magpie made the bread. Rabbit and Duck helped her. "Who will help me eat the bread?" said Magpie. "I will," said Rabbit. "I will," said Duck. "And I will too," said the mouse. "No, you will not," said Magpie. "Oh, no, you will not." "We made the bread, and we will eat it," said Magpie and Rabbit and Duck. Question 1. Who got the fire going? Answer: the rabbit will. Question 2. Who will get the milk? Answer: the duck will. Question 3. Will the mouse help eat the bread? Answer: no, it will not.